Hello there. How to fix your HVAC system. We're going to go with a blower motor today. Is your blower motor not running, making noise, screeching, stopping, getting too hot? Does it smell like a burnt smell through the vents? And you're like, where's that smell coming from? And you have diagnosed it yourself and went into that unit and said, whoa, this motor is smoking hot, it's not spinning, it's seized. This is my problem. Well, very simple. The motor has a housing which is connected to it. The housing that's holding that motor together is by 4 3/8 screws that come right off. Take those off. If it has a belly band, that's a little bit of a different story. Sometimes you need 2 adjustable wrenches to take the belly band off. There's an actual set screw on the bottom of the housing on the opposite side of the motor, which is where the shaft is. It's a very small set screw. Most of the time, you're going to need a very small adjustable wrench. Turn it clockwise, and you're going to be fine. It's going to come off. If it doesn't come off, you have a pretty big problem on your hands. It got seized, and it's probably been sitting there for a really long time. I will probably say many, many years. So the way I would do that is, what I do is I don't bang it with a hammer, because if you bang that with a hammer, remember the hole is probably maybe a 1/2 inch in diameter. And while you bang that with a hammer, what you're going to end up doing is you're going to swell the actual diaphragm on it, and it's never going to come out. So what you're going to want to do is push the motor lower and go with a sand cloth and just clean that shaft really, really good, and put some WD-40 or any type of liquid wrench. Let it sit for a while. Do that process over and over again, at least 3 to 4 times. Once that process has been done about 3 or 4 times, try it again. That motor should come out with no problem. If you've done those steps and it still has not come out, they do sell this tool, and it's very complicated to use, but it's called a motor pulley. Go to your local hardware store, they'll sell it there. You set it up on the motor, and you set it up correctly with the right specs, and you just start twisting on it, and your motor will come out instant. And that's how you change your blower motor.